Hello guys, I am Yeldo. So today is I will show sa inyo on how to beef up your vocals or kung paano maging crispy yung mga vocals ninyo just by adding color or saturation to it. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so meron akong 9 plugins for you to try to make your vocals more warmer. Kasi most of us, we don't want na yung vocal mix natin is parang dull or boring. So why do we even want to add these plugins ba in our mix? Mainly because it helps the vocals to stand out or it helps the vocals bring up some extra brightness. Kasi lots of people are very obsessed with the warmth na binibigay ng analog studio gear. But I will show sa inyo in this video on how to achieve the analog warm sound just by using plugins para to make it sound more fuller, more human, and more present. Alright, so I am gonna play a little preview of this track first.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kahit anong gawin sa'kin ng tingin. Tapos blaze man, habang nalasang.
Alright, so for the first plugin is Abbey Saturator. So basically, when I'm using this, ang ina-adjust ko lang dito is etong gain knob. Nasa around 10 to 15 lang ang range ko dito.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang. Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako.
Second plugin in the list is Fresh Air from Slate Digital. Ito naman is napakasimple lang gamitin. Simply adjust lang the mid-air and high-air knobs and find the taste of the presence that you want.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean.
Third plugin is Maag EQ4 by Plugin Alliance. Just adjust lang dito sa air band and air gain knobs.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean.
Fourth plugin is Dopamine by Overloud. Okay, so ang ina-adjust ko lang dito is yung wet knob, comp, and level. When I'm using this kasi, I like to turn the comp and wet knob all the way up. And sa levels lang ako mag-adjust to balance or to blend it sa vocals.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kahit anong gawin sa'kin ng tingin. Tapos blaze man, habang nalasang.
Fifth plugin is NEOLD Big. This one also adds harmonic distortion sa vocals. Just adjust all the knobs according to your taste. The more drive ang ipupush natin, the more siya mag-add ng distortion.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugat to. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kahit anong gawin sa'kin ng tingin. Tapos basement, habang nalasang. Dito basement.
Plugin number 6 is Fab Filter Saturn. So for this, I will add or boost here sa my 11K. Pretty simple, just adjust lang the levels and the drive settings.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugat to. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kahit anong gawin sa'kin ng tingin. Tapos basement, habang nalasang. Dito basement, hassle kang dilam. Keep it safe, patamatik. Swabe lang ang moves, no mistake.
Plugin number 7 is NLS Channel. So what I like to do with this plugin is I will select itong mic and just simply adjust the drive knob.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugat to. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean.
Number 8 is Apogee Soft Limit. This one naman is a free plugin. Just download this from Apogee's website and install. So anyways, ang ina-adjust ko naman dito is the drive and threshold knobs.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugat to. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kahit anong gawin sa'kin ng tingin. Tapos basement, habang nalasang. Dito basement, hassle kang dilam. Keep it safe.
Number 9 is from Softube Saturation Knob. So this one has basic controls. Meron itong button switcher for the saturation type and meron din sa mismong saturation niya.
Pinong-pino, libo-libo. Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugat to. Finna make you bounce, finna make you bounce. Gitnang daliri, mga pussy lang nanandadown. You know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kahit anong gawin sa'kin ng tingin. Tapos basement, habang nalasang. Dito base.
Alright, so that is basically it guys. I do hope meron kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Maybe those effects are the missing ingredient sa inyong digital sound. All of those plugins are analog emulation ng mga specific outboard gear. Just make sure lang na to not overdo tweaking the settings. So if you don't hear the effect, just bring the effect up and then dial it back until makuha nyo na yung sweet spot para sa color or saturation na gusto niyo. Okay, so if you love this video guys, please press the like button and also subscribe ka na din if di ka pa nakasubscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you again next time. Happy mixing and bye-bye!